Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. Walter Chris will be talking the only K-pop reaction channel on the whole of YouTube because facts. And this is a very special video because it's a milestone video for me. I hit 10k, which first of all, that's kind of crazy because it was all this past 3 or 4 months. So I want to say thank you to all of you K-pop fans out there. I'm talking the Blinks, I'm talking the Army, I'm talking the Mints, I'm talking the Monts Babies, I'm talking the XOLs, the iGOT7, the Sony, and once. So yeah, I clearly did not look at my laptop. This was all off the dome because facts. Oh shit. But no lie, I want to say a huge thank you because you guys are all freaking awesome. So yeah, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Korea box that was sent to me by the lovely Korea box, which is kind of crazy. This is the first time that any company has ever reached out to me because of my content. So yeah, I don't know, I'm not gonna lie. I think I actually cried a little bit when I not a little bit, it's a lot. But I don't know when they reached out to me, purely because it was like, as a YouTuber, this is the kind of stuff that you hear about or you hear people say, oh no, like I was just making videos and suddenly they reached out to me. Like legit, this month has been very interesting and that was one of the first. So this has been a very active, very active month, very active year. So once again, I want to say a huge thank you to all the different fandoms who have been supportive on this channel. I love the fact that you guys are giving me your requests because I get to see what you guys are appreciating, and I just love the fact that you guys are involved with me in your different communities because K-pop is a different kind of community. And I know some people might be wondering, why are you even checking out K-pop? Well, for you guys who've never seen me before, I am a dancer. That's on my Instagram. I've got my dance videos on there, and actually I've got some old dance videos on this channel and on my other YouTube channels as well. I want to say a huge thank you to the K-pop community for actually kind of just being nice and kind of just accepting my lack of knowledge because it is what it is. But yeah, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been freaking awesome. I just realized I don't know what the title of this video is right now, so if there is a dance practice or a live reaction in the title, sorry it took so long to get there. It wasn't going to be that, it was just going to be the unboxing. But now I want to give you guys something as well. So yeah, let's check out SHINee. Yes, Taemin's group, because I haven't checked them out and it's Thursday, so let's do a throwback Thursday for SHINee. I'm doing so much in this video, and then I'm also going to check out Ten and Win. I think you guys have been telling me about Ten and Win as well. This video is just going everywhere, man. Oh shit. Anyways, okay, I don't know the members' names, but I'm gonna try and see if I can recognize Taemin with this 360 quality. I'm sorry. What? Like, okay. You know, most K-pop dancers, they learn the choreos, but looking at the way that they're breaking down the waves and stuff, these guys have it on smash. Clean. Boom. Woo. Mixing waves and tutting. Jeez. Hey. Woo. Hey. Making it look so effortless, but yet I don't think I'd be ready for them if they went all out. Woo. Those double hits. What are their names as well? And who was your bias? Hey. What? You know what? I can't really see their faces properly, but the movements are clearer. The choreo has like an old school vibe to it, but yet the level of professionalism is still up there. Can we talk about, alright, there's a guy in the second, I realize you can't really see, I wonder if you can see my mouse. There's a guy on the left, second to the end on the left hand side with a hat and the white box. The way he transitioned from the right hand side, check this transition. Okay. Hey, fucking love that. Woo. The subtleties in this is actually pretty sick. Okay. Shut up. But they're really okay. I really want to check the music video to this. If you want me to see the music video in future videos, do write react to Shiny Lucifer music video. Hey. The thing is, this is old as well, so I won't even, maybe like Damon's changed. Hey. Hey. So the guy in the middle seems like just resting, but I feel like something's gonna happen now. Oh. Okay. Did he disappear? A part of me is really trying to check to see if the guy with the long hair is Taemin. I'm probably super cold. A lot of walking with this choreo, but I'm guessing that this is going to be something that would use a lot more stage presence. The guy in the middle, like, going in with the singing. Why's the guy in the middle laughing? I love that. Alright, well that was the Lucifer dance practice. No lie, half of the video was me looking for Taemin because what the quality was on, like, what is it, 360p, and me being a millennial, you know, I can't see anything under 720p. I feel like I should have been wearing glasses the whole time. But no, overall, really liked it. It did have like an old school vibe to it. Really old school vibe to it. I'm very intrigued to see what they're more updated or more enthusiastic like, when I say enthusiastic, I don't mean in a sense of what the choreo was, but I mean how they're kind of pushing it forward. But yeah, like, I want to see more of the more enthusiastic dance practices. But overall, really liked it. You can tell that they know their business compared to like a lot of some of the other kind of dance practices I've seen, where the choreos are great, but the individuals may not be the best dancers. Whereas with this, it's like the choreo was pretty good, but then you can tell that individually, all of them, they knew their shit. Where it's kind of like, oh, okay, was there need for that? But yeah, I'm really excited to see more of them. Okay, and let's check out WinWin and Ten. All right, this is the Rainbow V, so Ten and WinWin choreography. Why wait Rainbow V? I thought this was part of NCT. I don't know. I swear one day I'm just gonna sit down and just like memorize everything to do with NCT. Just get the whole rule book. There's got to be a rule book somewhere. Oh, okay. The imagery in this. Can we just start this again? I feel like before I even play this, we can see straight from the get go that there's two people. One's wearing black and the other one's wearing light or white or cream. But on the side of the person who's wearing the black, the tree seems to be withered, and on the side of a person wearing the cream, the light, the tree seems to be alive. And like immediately you get this imagery without even knowing what's going on, just from the way that they're standing and from just the image. I freaking love it. But let's check it out. You know when the violins are out, shit's getting serious. Hey. Oh, we're going for contemporary, huh? Hey. Wait. Wait. This is freaking awesome. So Win-Win's the guy in black, I'm guessing, because 10 is the guy in white. So, hey. It's crazy how similar the movements are, but how distinctively unique they are as well. The passion and expression behind this is so crazy. Oh, and the trees together. I didn't tear up. I did not tear up. I didn't tear up. You teared up. Wow, I should have checked this sooner. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who actually requested this. This is kind of mad. Once again, as I mentioned, the imagery, and also there's like a red rope. I know that in certain cultures, that the whole red ribbon and kind of connects to life. And all right, so I know that in Japan, I say I know, but I know partially that in Japan that the red ribbon and stuff is connected to life and to, I don't know, just life energy. I say this because in one of my favorite animes, Erased, they used a red thread to symbolize life. But anyway, I'm not going to go into anime stuff because it is what it is. Also, for some of you wondering, you do breakdancing and popping. Why are you watching a like this sort of choreo? I actually studied contemporary in college, the year of that. In school, I did 3-4 years of contemporary as well before I went to college and did that. And by college, I'm talking about higher education, not university. Depends on where you're watching this. So that's my connection to this. So I actually, in total, probably have around like 7 years. I haven't done contemporary dance in around 7 years. But yeah, so that's my connection to that. But yeah, so let's get into the unboxing and see what's going on. Once again, I want to apologize for the bad quality, but yeah, let's get into it. First of all, gotta get my knife out so I can unbox the bloody thing. Alright, so over here in the actual box itself, you've got the Koreabox logo, got the details about the actual item and everything. I took out my name here so y'all don't know where I live. Got some nice colours, got the pinks and the blue for the Koreabox, pretty cool. On this side here is the pink, on this side here is the blue. Hopefully this focuses, oh my god. And so bad at this, I'm probably going to cut my finger off. I'm also trying to make sure I Alright, that was a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. But yeah, let's see what's inside as we open it up. Ooh, okay. So we have the Koreabox April issue going around. It's pretty nice. I'm going to read this after I've unboxed the actual thing, so then that way it's all in good quality. I'm going to put this to the side. And inside here, what else have we got? Got here a little note. Hey, we got a personal note. I'm definitely going to read this, but actually, you know what? I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to read this as well afterwards, so then that way it's all done properly. It's actually really nice. I'm enjoying this. And we got ourselves a little sticker thing. This is a sticker. Oh no, so it's something for Instagram. So it's this. The Koreabox finger heart relay. You know what? I'm gonna post this on my Instagram later on today. It's actually pretty sick. I'm enjoying this experience. If you guys want me to do more like K-pop unboxings, so you want me to check out, I don't know, like order things from South Korea or from like K-pop merch or whatever, and you want me to do some unboxing, do let me know. It would be pretty sick to do this kind of setup. It's kind of different. I don't know. But hey, this is pretty fun so far. Bubble wrap! Oh, that was louder than I expected. What is this? Got these. How much of these? So crazy having two cameras at the same time. Hey, okay. Now time for the goodies. So, don't know what this is, but it feels like... I was gonna say nunchucks. I don't know why I thought it was nunchucks, but it could be a poster. La la. Oh, okay. So, I'm gonna open... You know what? I want to do this all on camera. So I'm gonna... Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take out the contents and I'm gonna actually open them all up properly on camera for you guys. Okay, so we've got ourselves... Is this a tin? I think some of you guys might know who they are. Ooh, where is it? Can you guess who it is? Okay, we've got some candy. We've got like a pin. And we got ourselves... Oh. Can you guess who it was? Alright, so I'm gonna open these up properly in a second. What else is in the box? Nothing. Alright, time to read the Korea Box newsletter. Okay, so this is the April issue 2019 Korea Box K-pop K-drama. Really liking the front. So I don't know if you can see this, but at the very top here you got the Big Bang logo. Then that's the EXO logo. Freaking loving that. So you got the EXO logo there, and then LY. Oh, I don't actually recognize that one. I'm so sorry. What logo is that one there? Second to last. And then we have the Blackpink. Obviously not because it says Blackpink, but it's Blackpink, okay? Alright, so before I check out the newsletter, actually, I should have actually read this personal handwritten letter, which is pretty nice. It says here, Dear Christian Tamboy, hello, this is me from Korea Box. I am so excited to send Korea Box to London. I'm crazy impressed they even got here. By the way, please don't be surprised by the handwritten letter. I include this note to all Korea Box families. No, I'm gonna accept the handwritten letter because in this day and age of technology, thank you, me. Personally, I like communicating with all Korea Box family all over the world. As a Korean, I appreciate your interest and support for Korean culture. I hope joy of K-pop spreads out all over the world through you. Oh, it's actually really nice. I don't know, it's really, really nice. You can find Korean snacks, which is a surprising treat. Again, thank you so much. I hope you have fun with the unboxing. K-pop Box. Thank you. Best regards, Korea Box. Thank you so much, Korea Box, for sending this handwritten letter. I'm gonna keep this, and I don't know if some of you have been following, but what from the beginning of the year, actually, almost none of you would be following this. But I actually, one of my videos, I actually mentioned about how every time something nice happens to me, I'm gonna write a sticky post-it note and then put it inside here. So then at the end of the year, I can look back at it and see how I feel. But yeah, so I'm gonna make a note about this whole event because that's actually really, really nice. And then we also have here the newsletter. All right, I'm gonna check out the contents now, and then I'm going to read the newsletter at the end, just because I want you guys to kind of see what's kind of going on here. But we have this thing here, like I mentioned earlier. Oh, God, how do I open this? Oh, okay. Looks like Blackpink are in my area. You know, I'm gonna have to put this up now. You know, whenever I do like my videos, but you can't even see it. Frick it. Saitama. Once again, Saitama protect any attack. That is freaking awesome. I'm gonna have that there whenever I make my videos. This is actually a lot more exciting than I thought it was gonna be. This is way longer than I thought it was gonna be as well. Goddamn. Next, we have this special thing. I'm not gonna put it too close because you'll be able to see what it is already. But let's have a. Why can I not open things? And we have the 17 members in this piggy bank, which is actually pretty kind of cool. Like, this is kind of mad. Alright, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write their names in in felt tip above their names or just below them, and I'm going to read this every single day and remember every single one of their names, so then in the future I can be like boom, boom, boom. But yeah, this is freaking awesome. I'm going to put this on the side over here. What else do we have? Okay, we have a star pouch, cosmetic makeup multi. Not gonna lie to you, I don't think I'll need a cosmetic makeup multi, but look who it's over the front. Man like Taemin. This is actually a really cool pouch. In the future, I'm gonna keep it on the side over here. And in the future, I might do a mini giveaway with several different K-pop stuff that I end up making or getting in the future. But we'll get to that. So if you want that, then just stay subscribed and just like my videos and stuff, because it's how it works on YouTube. Goddammit, did you not get the memo? Oh, we also got this Korea Box finger heart relay, which I'm going to post a picture of this properly on my community wall, because this camera, even though it's good, the lenses are so I need to get a proper lens so you can see this. But anyways, I'm going to put this nice little Instagram thing. So I think I'm supposed to share this on my Instagram. So I'm going to share this on Instagram to say that Korea Box actually got something from them. But this is really nice. So yes, I think you get one of these as well. Can I just mention, this video is not sponsored by Korea Box. I should have said this way at the beginning. I'm going to write a little note. It's not sponsored by Korea Box. They actually just reached out to me once again, which is freaking awesome. But yeah, and then we also have we have like a clothing pin, a sister clothing pin. I need to move out the way so y'all can see it. Do you know what? I'm gonna put a picture of of these without me on the community wall so you can see the Taemin and the sister clothing pin. Once again, I'm gonna keep this unopened, so that's two things unopened. So as time goes by, because you know what, I'm not gonna lie to you, I think I'm gonna just end up personally getting the monthly Korea boxes as well, just because I do want some of this stuff, and also want to get some candy from them. So the stuff I don't open or I feel like may not be directly connected to me, I'm gonna have closed, and we'll eventually do a giveaway in the future. But once again, I actually did request for some Blackpink and Taemin stuff and 17 stuff. They pulled through, so I'm really excited and happy from that. And what else do we have here? Oh yeah, oh my god, I dropped the candy. Okay, and then we have the Anytime Anywhere. I don't know if you can see this, but that's that. So I got some candy from Korea, which I'm freaking hungry. It is 2:30 over here in the morning. I should definitely eat something. So what do we have here? So got crown.co.kr. Not gonna lie to you. I say not gonna lie to you. That might be another one of my other slogans. Not gonna lie to you, which is a definite lie. But this isn't a lie. Because facts. Strawberries are actually my favourite fruits, and also strawberry flavoured anything are my favourite anything. What? Anyway, but let's give this a taste. La, 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 la. Oh, talk about clean packaging. Okay, so in the UK we have wagon wheels, and I used to love wagon wheels like crazy. I was a little chubby one when I was a kid, and I used to stuff my face with chocolate and cakes. Memories. Okay. First of all, this is a different kind of chocolate. Different chocolate smell that you get from from chocolate in the UK. This is for some of you are going to be like, I came in for a freaking reaction, ended up getting some unboxing, and now Christian's eating stuff. What's going on? I don't freaking know. Also, how long is this going to take to upload? Maybe 10 hours, maybe a day. It's Thursday, 2 o'clock in the morning, not edited. This might be up Saturday, I don't even know. But let's have a nice little taste. Oh, crumbly. You gotta love a little crumble. Okay, first of all, a totally different texture to wagon wheels. Focuses more on the cake, which is the chocolate's not too strong, and I say that because I'm not too much of a chocolate fan now because I eat too much. I ate a lifetimes worth of chocolate as a kid. I like the subtlety of the chocolate as well. Yo. Okay. How do you pronounce this? By the way, I don't know exactly the name of it, but how do you pronounce this? I know it says anytime, anywhere, but I really doubt that that's the name of it, unless it is. That'd be so cool if it was, but I don't know. Also, sorry if this video has hardly any editing. I just come back from work and I just decided to just finish this up. I'm more excited to just get this video out there. But anyways, let's next we got these. I don't know if you can see it. Fuck it. I think it's focused on me, so you can't really see it. But we got. Let me move out the way and just show you this. Maybe. Did it work? Did it work? It's not working. But this. You got two of these. I'm gonna have one for later. Actually, and I'll put one of these with the other stuff for future giveaway. It's got a picture of a cherry on the front, so I'm gonna guess it's a cherry flavored thing. Alright, first of all, it's rock solid. I should have shown you it first, but it was see-through and rock solid. I thought it was cherry, but this deadass could be apple. Do I not know my fruits? It could just be a fruit I've never tasted before, and my brain's like, what is it? What is it? It's a pineapple, it's an apple. But yo, the candy game in Korea seems to be on a different level, bro, because the candy over here, my taste buds feel like they haven't tasted this stuff before. And I'm loving it. Anyways, so that's that. I realized that this is really lengthy, so I'm gonna take a picture of this as well and put it on my. Just enjoying this sweet. What were we talking about? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this on my community wall and on my Instagram, so then you guys can check out Instagram. Chris is talking. Link in the description. But yeah, I'm really excited. This is crazy. 10K. I know this is a super long video, so I do apologize for. You know, I'm not gonna lie to you. Wait. So I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not sorry. So that would be a lie. I don't know. Basically, I'm not sorry. Really just had fun just doing this. It just feels a bit more fun and laid back. If I was to make a podcast, this is the kind of shit I would do. We'd just sit down. If I was to do a live stream or podcast, whatever, we'd do a live reaction. We'd listen to some music. We'd just chill. Sorry about that. Whilst I was trying to do the outro, the freaking camera died on me. But yeah. Want to say a huge thank you to Career Box for sending that out to me. Freaking I don't know, man. This is kind of crazy. It's like I didn't even think I'd get here. This past 4 months, I've achieved way more than I've achieved on my whole lifespan on YouTube. Alright, let's do a little question game to end this video. How long have I been on YouTube? Is the answer A, 5 years, B, 8 years, C, 11 years, or D, 14 years? I don't know, you tell me. Mostly one was my first video ever uploaded on YouTube. The only of a day or month, whatever, just a year. It is what it is. Anyways guys, thank you guys for being awesome, for just being fantastic viewers and subscribers. And if you enjoy my kind of content, enjoy me talking or still talking or just waffling, then yeah, subscribe, like, share, leave your requests down below for future reaction videos. And yeah, I don't know, thank you guys for being awesome and just joining me on this journey. And when did you guys join this channel? Did you join when I was in the hundreds, like 3-4 months ago? Or did you join recently and you're like, don't know how I got here, but thank you, Chris, because facts. To be honest, this is the only K-pop channel in the whole of YouTube, so you know, facts. Because facts. Oh man, if I make merch, facts merch it's gonna be that. Have a great day, guys. Chris will be talking. Peace.